Today I'm reviewing the Beelink SER5 MAX mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of this system, the Beelink SER5 MAX is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU, running at a base clock of 3.2 GHz, with a turbo boost reaching up to 4.7 GHz. This processor delivers strong multi-threaded performance, perfect for demanding tasks like video editing, software development, and even some gaming. Paired with integrated Radeon graphics featuring 12 cores at 2,200 MHz, this mini PC can handle 4K video playback smoothly and supports triple display setups, making multitasking or immersive media viewing a breeze. Memory and storage are equally impressive. The SER5 MAX comes equipped with a generous 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which runs at a blazing 6,300 MHz. Compared to previous generations, LPDDR5 offers improved speed and lower latency, which means faster data processing and a snappier user experience overall. Storage-wise, it includes a 500 GB NVMe SSD by default, but the system supports expansion up to a massive 8 TB through dual M.2 slots. So, whether you need space for large game libraries, high-res videos, or professional software, you've got room to grow. Connectivity options on the Beelink SER5 MAX are designed to meet various needs. You get a full suite of ports, including HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB Type-C that supports both video and data, allowing you to connect up to 3 displays simultaneously at 4K resolution. There are also 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, so connecting peripherals like external drives, keyboards, and mice is hassle-free. For wired networking, there's Gigabit Ethernet for stable and fast internet connections, while Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 provide fast and reliable wireless connectivity. This combination is ideal for both home and office setups. What's remarkable is how much power Beelink manages to fit into such a small chassis, measuring only 8.1 liters. It's compact and portable, yet it doesn't compromise on performance or connectivity. The build quality feels solid, and the cooling solution is designed to keep the system running quietly even under load. Features like Wake on LAN and Auto Power on enhanced convenience for business or home users. The Beelink SER5 MAX mini PC is certified with CE, EMC, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring compliance with international standards. It comes backed by a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, so you can buy with confidence knowing help is available whenever needed. To summarize, the Beelink SER5 MAX mini PC is a perfect solution if you're looking for a compact but powerful PC. Whether you need a reliable workstation for content creation, a capable gaming rig for casual play, or a versatile computer for office productivity, this mini PC delivers performance and connectivity without taking up much space. With 32 GB RAM, fast Ryzen 7 processing, triple 4K display support, and robust networking features, it's built to handle modern tasks smoothly. If you want a no-fuss, high-performance mini PC that's easy to set up and use in any environment, the Beelink SER5 MAX deserves serious consideration.